Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fried rice using fried rice masala. First, gather all your ingredients including cooked, cold rice, your favorite vegetables, and the masala. Using day-old rice is key for that perfect texture. Next, chop all your vegetables into small, uniform pieces so they cook evenly and quickly. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient cooking process. Now let's get cooking. Heat a large wok or a spacious pan over high heat, adding about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil. Once hot, toss in your minced garlic and ginger, stir-frying them for approximately 30 seconds until they release their wonderful aroma. Immediately after, add your prepared chopped vegetables, stir-frying them quickly until they are tender crisp, retaining a slight bite. With your vegetables ready, push them to one side of the wok, creating space. Add your cold, cooked rice directly into the hot pan. Now, sprinkle 2 to 3 teaspoons of your fried rice masala evenly over the rice. Begin to stir-fry everything together vigorously, ensuring the masala and vegetables are thoroughly combined with the rice. Continue this for about 2 to 3 minutes, allowing flavors to meld. For the grand finale, add a dash of soy sauce and a pinch of salt, then taste and adjust the seasoning to your preference. Garnish your delicious fried rice with fresh chopped green onions or cilantro for a burst of color and flavor before serving it hot. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep a breeze, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade fried rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.